I'll be showing you that how to create backlink, which is very effective and it's free, right? And you can create this backlink to make your strong website, Google My Business, and YouTube videos as well. So, what I'm going to tell you today, uh, see how to rank in Google with Google backlinks. This is exactly a Google backlink which I'm going to talk about, and this is completely free. And people are not knowing about this, how to create a Google backlink and how to be effective. And this is the secret method which I have taken out from my personal experience, which I'm trying to share here. uh, Definitely it would be much effective if you are seeing this, what is the method, and definitely it will work for you. So let me show that first, how we have done. So if I can show you first, these are the these are the techniques from where I have got the backlink. So first of all, I just would like to show you that what is the result. So let's suppose search in Google best digital marketing agency in Patna. Okay. So if you can see over here, this is my ranking over here on second, right? Even if I will search for this top 10 digital marketing company in Patna, let me see that whether I am there or not. Yeah, I am there. Still I am there, top 10. And again, if best digital marketing company in Bihar, let me see that I should be ranking for this as well. Yes, I'm ranking for this third. Again, I will show you one of my customer data which I am working on. This is the uh, another website which I am working. So if I can show here, just currently I am working here. I will show you that position tracker. It's Sri Sai Packers and Movers from Bangalore. So this is the improvement which you can see over here by doing multiple activities, but this is the one activity which I am also doing here. So here you can see over here, Packers and Movers Pina, it's ranking on first page. Again, it's a second, means 11th ranking again. So it's improving. Every keywords are improving. Here are the 10 keywords are there, right? So what is the method? I'll just tell you. So here, if I can show you one by one, this is the one method which I am applying. So you'll be having a account. First of all, you can create a Gmail account. Then after, what will happen, you can create, I'll show you. First of all, I'll just show you what exactly. So once you will create the GMB post, sorry, GMB, once you will create a GMB of your name or any name, you just create it, and you will come to that section where the website section is there in that uh, home page, in the home section in the dashboard, where you can see the website, which is the free one from Google. You can create it, and this is very a strong website in terms of if you are going to create one page website, but it is again effective. So what I have done here, if you can see here, the simple website, it has not been verified. This one, it has not been verified. So here, if you can see here, I have written the article, and from that article, if you can see, I'll just open that. So if you can see over here, can you see down? You can see here, what is that? digital marketing agency in Patna. I have link to my own website, right? So this is very strong in keyword. Once you will see here, once you will click on that, it will land to my website. This one. So this website you can see. So each linking, if you can see the highlighted one, these are the backlinks which I have given, like anchor text, or you can say that hyperlink, which I have redirected to my website. So if you can see over here again, digital advertising company in Patna. Again, if you will click over here, it will redirect to the city, best digital marketing agency in Patna. This page, right? So what exactly I have done here, I'm trying to show you with that again with different listing. Again here you can see the website which I have created here. Sorry, I think this one I have not created a website. Sorry, I have not created this one. Yes, this one. So these are the GMB dashboard which you can create yourself even for free. Multiple n number of GMB you can create from here. So you can see here. These are the hyperlinks, right? Digital advertising company in Patna, advertising company in zones of digital. Sorry, there is a mistake on here over here. So how it is going to be done? Let's suppose I will create uh, for you here. I will create one business. Let's suppose you will come here and add single business page, right? And you can create best digital. I'm just creating for myself, for my company, to show you how it is working. So you can create for yourself. Best digital marketing company in Bangalore. Uh, digital Okay, choose category internet. Internet marketing service. You can choose upon up to you, like which category you deal with, and then after you can click the next button. Then it will ask you, do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? uh, if you will say no, again it will ask you the same to keep your location on board. So better to say yes. And what's the address? So let's suppose I will put 16th Main Road, 17th E Cross Road, BTM layout, second stage. This is my address of Bangalore. Pin code 560076 and Karnataka. Again, click next. Where are you located? Yes, there exactly. Do you also serve customers outside this location? Yes, I'll put Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra, right? You can choose upon you. Then again, I need to give my number. Let's suppose I'll give one number, and I do not have the website. Here is the option to create a website. Even you can put this one, and then after again you can create the free website. But I'll say here no, I'll create free. So it will send the through mail. So let's suppose I'll just put that and done. Postcard is on the way. In the same way, you can create your GMB page as well. And I'm just trying to teach you how to do backlinks. So whatever that these categories you just click on. uh, Skip it, skip it, escape. You can do all these things. Yes, your business profile is almost ready. So now you can see pending verification is pending. So if you want to create your GMB, you can get the postcard in your hand, and then after you can verify this one. Again, you will be having this section where the website is free for you from Google. If you don't have those who are into that business, and those doesn't want to create uh, you know the website, they can't afford those people, they can have the free website from Google. So this is the free website which Google provides you right here. So what we gonna do here, here is the text, here is the summary body. What we are going to do here, I'll just copy this one. I'll just copy this. I'll just copy this. I'll just copy and I'll paste here directly. Or let's suppose how to create. Let's suppose you have written this term, right? This is Patna. If I want to highlight this one to Patna, so what I'll do here, uh, Patna. Sorry, Patna. So this is the Wikipedia page. Let's suppose this is your website, and you want to interlink. You want to link to that text. So come here, and where is that? So this is the text right here. If you will just highlight it, and you can see over here. Oh, sorry, one minute. Where is that? Okay, here is that, right? So let's suppose you want to highlight Patna, Patna, right? And go here. So first, it was already an anchor text. So now you can just highlight it and paste there. So this will be a anchor text link. What will happen, like, it will crawl, that Google bot will crawl this. I will show you here once it is done. Let's suppose it is done, and let's make this website live. I'm just trying to show that I don't want to buy here. Here you can buy this as well, but I don't want to buy. Uh, okay, something I need to put here. One moment. I think there is a problem. Okay, now I have got this option for view website. So let me just see that. Once you will click over here, so now we can check that where the Patna, yes, Patna. If I'll click over here, it should redirect to the Wikipedia page from where we have, yes, it is redirecting to Wikipedia, you can see here. So the same manner you can write the article over there and you can publish this website, right? You can publish this website by having the phone number and the address location and this article where you can have multiple anchor text to target those website with those pages for free. And this is the Google backlink which you are going to create, and it's very strong. Once it is going to be indexed in Google, it will be a very stronger backlink support from Google for your website, for your YouTube videos, for your Google My Business page, whatever you want to do, you can post that, and you can create multiple GMBs for free, multiple website for free, and from there you can make the article and you can have the backlink. So I hope this is my uh, a special video, and you can say that I have personally uh, experienced this and implemented these methods, and which is affecting in my website ranking, and it will work for you as well, definitely. And this nobody has told to me, it is my personal experience which I am trying to share with you. So hope it will work for you. Thanks for watching.